Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Jewel Stack. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically an app that will let you earn money after a certain threshold or a certain score. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. So based from what they show on here, uh, they claim that to give you this amount of gold or money or payout, I don't know what that's supposed to be. However, I would highly advise you guys not to download or play this game in the hopes of making money, since there are a lot of apps or games like this that claim to give you money and to check out in PayPal or something, and you know the gist, guys. It's all the same. They claim to give you money and they will never receive anything in return. And plus, this game has a lot of ads. So I would highly advise you not to play this in the hopes of making a lot of money, since if it did, it would make the headlines or make the news. People would be quitting their jobs if they did. And that is basically it, guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.